PATH program is a scholarship and mentorship program that supports students from underrepresented communities be successful here at the University of Arkansas. We do that through mentorship, programming, and support for the students.
PATH connected me with a family before I even came here freshman year. We had a summer bridge program that allowed me to meet new students, and I'm still friends with a lot of the students today, and I still meet with them regularly. It's offered me financial support as well as community and guidance in helping me through my educational career. I'm majoring in physics, and I am under an optics concentration, and so what I plan to do is to study optical science, and from that to go into holography, which is the study of holograms. Throughout this program, I've constantly been encouraged to get through my courses, not to look at them as challenges or like downfalls of things that I can't get over, and that comes back to the community involvement, that I have people around me that are making sure that I'm getting through my courses and not just getting bogged down on myself.
Hey, Julian.
Hey, Sochi, how are you?
Good, how are you? So PATH has several strategies to support students. We do that through mentorship, academic and professional support, and by providing resources for them. So their first couple of years at the U of A, we do a lot of academic development workshops for students. That covers things from time management, study habits, getting to know your professors. The last couple of years, we have a series of what we call adulting workshops, helping students think ahead beyond the U of A, to taking advantage of internships. How do you apply for your first job? How do you manage your finances once you get that first job? And so hopefully by the time they graduate, they have those tools to be successful in life afterwards.
When I first came in freshman year, it's a big campus, lots of students, and I didn't really feel like I had a leg in, but once I actually got involved in the PATH program, I felt like it helped guide me kind of to what I wanted to do. It actually gave me a mentor and mentorship opportunities that helped me get into nursing school as well. So my career in college has really been tailored to my long-term education goals, which I'm really appreciative of, because freshman year, me switched majors almost twice. So now I'm on a right path. I kind of know what I want to do, and I kind of know how I'm going to be able to do it.
There's always somebody that knows an internship somewhere, has some kind of plug. Going into Sochi's office a few months before, I was looking for summer internships and going over my options and kind of thinking about what I wanted to do, and having that guidance of, is this really what you want to do, or do you want to do this? Or is this the path you want to go down? Is this how you want to spend your time? Just having the person to ask you those questions and kind of help you work through the answers has definitely been the biggest help as far as securing internships and job opportunities. So my summer internship in Governor Hutchinson's office was nothing short of amazing. I got to meet so many influential policymakers and decision makers around the state of Arkansas, and I learned a lot about state government and their relationship to the people and how the people can impact government. I definitely want to use my career to influence policy in the agricultural industry.
So the Volunteer Action Center really is a place for outreach for students, and we like to pull a lot of different students into the community because we know a lot of people don't normally come out and reach out to us, so we reach out to them. What specifically I'm in is student engagement, which is really like pulling students in to do different various volunteer opportunities, so that's my main role essentially. So once I graduate, I'm going to go to grad school and be studying communication disorders once again. And after that, I hope to get a job at a hospital or a private practice. And I really want to work as a speech language pathologist for patients who have just experienced a stroke or have aphasia, or really anything in that general vicinity.
The PATH program is something that I feel like there's such a diverse amount of individuals in terms of majors, race, ethnicity, income, and I think it's a really great opportunity for everybody to know that no matter where you're from or who you are, we will always have a space for you, is what I feel like the PATH program and the community has brought me. My research, my honors thesis is under Dr. Caitlin Gallagher, and we are researching the effects of walking speeds on lower back pain development. This is something I'm really passionate about because in terms of gait analysis and how the body moves and how it works, I know there are a lot of individuals in sedentary positions, whether that be working at a desk space all day or not having as much physical activity during the day. And I think this research really allows individuals to know what kind of different breaks to take in terms of either that be bouts of 10, 15 minutes to further enhance their physical health. I'm really excited to announce that I'm going to attend physical therapy school after my undergrad career. I'm really passionate and motivated to serve the underrepresented communities in the Northwest Arkansas area. I know that there is a lack of advocating for especially the Latinx population, and I'm really excited to be able to serve this community in their native language and not only assist them physically, but also in their well-being and their understanding of the resources available to them.
The PATH program has helped me out a lot. It's given me a really strong foundation, especially with the bridge intercession that we had. I was able to meet with the rest of my cohort and also a lot of amazing faculty within the Honors College. So I'd say overall my classes have been pretty easygoing, but I'd definitely say my hardest class has been combinatoric because it's just really different math. It's not as straightforward as you would think, but through the support of the PATH program and my professor, I've really been able to excel in the class. And I'd say that coding is important to me because it allows me to create software that really helps make people's lives easier, even if it's just a little bit.
I would describe the PATH program as dedication.
If I had to describe PATH in one word, it would definitely be family.
I think I would summarize PATH as being very resourceful.
The word I would use to describe the PATH program is supportive.
Definitely have to say community.
One word for PATH, community, for sure.
To me, the PATH program is an opportunity to work with students that come from a similar background as I did. I know that they are capable of being successful and achieving their dreams, and so having this opportunity to support somebody and going on to do great things is really important to me.
Something that I've learned is that you have to keep looking forward and to actually go through the challenges instead of trying to go around them.